Hello viewers, let's use the question that we have on the board to learn how to make a letter the subject. Like what we have here, the subject is Y, but they ask us to make X to be the subject of what? Of this equation. To do that is very simple. When you look at this, you will observe that square root of k square plus x square has a support. That is, it is over p. So we will make this y that we have at the other side to have what? A support. That is, y over 1 is equal to square root of k square plus x square. Okay? All over p. Now, the next thing that I will do now is I will cross multiply. When I cross multiply, that is, this one will multiply what we have at the other side as a numerator. And 1 multiply anything will give us what? That thing, which is automatically we will have square root of k squared plus x squared. So the square root of this is equal to y times p. It will give us py. Okay? Now, the next thing that I will do, for us to eliminate the square root that we have here, I will multiply both sides by the exponent. I will multiply the exponent by what? By 2. Because this square root now is the same thing as k squared plus x squared, all in bracket, power 1 over 2. This and this are the same. This also means what? Square root of what we have in the bracket, okay, is equal to py. So nothing has changed yet. So for us to get rid of this square root that we have here, we are going to multiply both sides by the exponents by what? By 2, which is we will now have k power 2 plus x power 2, all in bracket, power 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. And I will do the same thing to the other side, which is py. Remember that this py, that the exponent is what? 1. Multiplied by what? By 2. By so doing, the square root will be eliminated. So what we will have now is k power 2 plus x power 2 is equal to py, all in bracket, power 2. Okay? Remember that what we want to make the subject is x, not x power 2. So what I will do next now is this. I will write x power 2 equal to py, all in bracket, power 2. When k power 2 crosses this equality sign, the sign will change from invisible plus to minus. So we will now have minus k power 2. Okay, now we have made x power 2 the subject, but what we want to make the subject is what? Is x. Now, for us to get rid of this power 2, we are going to multiply both sides, the exponents of both sides by what? By 1 over 2, which is x power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to what we have here, py power 2 minus k power 2, all in bracket, power 1 multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay? By so doing, these exponents that we have here will be eliminated. So we will now have x as py, all in bracket, minus k power 2. All in bracket power what? 1 over 2. And note that this 1 over 2 means what? Is the same thing as what? Square root. So what it means, if you like, you can give the answer like this, or you put it in this form: x is equal to square root of p y power 2 minus k power 2. And that is the answer. Okay. Now, if you are not following me on TikTok and Facebook, you try and do so, so that you will be getting notification when I upload new video. And if you are watching me from YouTube, you subscribe. And the essence of subscribing is for one to get what? Notification as well. So subscribe so that you will be getting more notifications. And notification costs nothing. It costs nothing. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in next episode.